Hi, I'm Oscar from San Diego Dental Design. We provide all-on-4 cases, implants, dentures, 3D printing dentures, and even veneers. In 2007, I opened this laboratory. I have dyslexia. You don't need to read to make teeth. So I decided to open a dental lab that I can be more artistic. I think it's fun, it's stressful, but I'm happy, you know? The type of work that we provide here reflects the patient. Every mouth is different, and I love the challenge. That's what makes me really happy, helping other people and seeing my skills at creating a good smile for them. Before I met Imagine, I used to do everything by hand. I used to stack porcelain, cast my metal, opaque it, and add all these different types of texture on the teeth. Just the basic of making a restoration, just like a crown and bridge. But I said, maybe I need to jump into technology. I was at a trade show, and I was talking to different types of people, just learning. And when I was talking, I ran into a company called Imagine. First, I was not that interested, maybe because I was too small and I couldn't afford the equipment, but I kind of started thinking, do I want to be small or do I want to grow? I was talking to one of the team members from Imagine, and he decided to introduce me his scanner. By talking to them more often and going to their classes, I kind of took a step of buying the equipment, and from there it just took off. They will actually help you pick the technology, what is good for your laboratory to expand. They would give you the knowledge and say, hey, this can fit in your lab because this is what you're doing. They will give you the best advice, the best equipment, what's out there. They will spend the quality time with you. That's why I choose Imagine. So there's one night that I was working pretty late. I was having so much difficulties making a all-on-4 cases that has these difficult screw angles. I decided to just text directly to one of their colleagues, and I was afraid. They actually responded, and he said, sure. Yeah, he sent in my team viewer and he helped me out. I think, and that particular night, I said, man, this company just went overboard helping me out. After the doctor loved what I did, from that point, I just decided to say Imagine all the way through. What Imagine does for me is way beyond any other companies out there. I created a great bond with them. I love their team, and I just love Imagine. I can expand with their technology and their school and the way that we speak to these clients. The sky's the limit now. And I just want to say thanks to Imagine.